Make your ID as individual as you are. Take the seats, for example. They've already been moved back to make it easy for you to enter the vehicle. As soon as you close the door and switch on the ignition, they will move back to their original position. You can set this position individually, depending on the equipment, either manually or electrically as shown here. Seat position, backrest, and lumbar support, all individually adjustable. You can even adjust the seat depth. Up to 2 individual seat positions and the exterior mirror settings can be stored. Adjust your exterior mirrors via the rotary knob in the driver door. Next, press Set, and then 1 or 2. You can now move your seat to your stored position. Simply press and hold the button until this position is reached. To have a good view of the curb when reversing into a parking space, your ID can lower the front passenger exterior mirror. Select gear R and adjust the front passenger exterior mirror as low as it suits you. Next, select N and switch off the ignition. The next time you reverse and turn the rotary knob for the mirrors to position R, you will have a great view of the curb. By the way, your interior mirror also has a handy function. It dims automatically when bright light shines on it from behind. A back massage will make your journey even more relaxing. You can start the massage function of your Ergo Active premium seats directly on the seat. This is either your previously selected program or the standard program. You can find an overview of all the massage programs in the infotainment system. On longer journeys, the lumbar and pelvic activation is pleasant. It not only massages the spine, but also the pelvic region. There are even more features you can personalize. For example, the background lighting. Choose your favorite color as lighting mood in the infotainment system. With automatic, the lighting mood changes to match the driving profile, for example, comfort or sport. Under sound, you'll find different options to set the sound. You can also adjust the height and angle of your AR head-up display in the infotainment system just as you need it. Many more settings, for example for air conditioning, will be stored automatically online in your user profile. This is handy if you are driving another ID, and all settings are available there too. Just try out which settings are possible to match your personal preferences. In this way, it will become more and more your ID.
Volkswagen.